Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, today I am going to be doing a unboxing and review on a new product that's been sent to me. This is ARMYTEK Wizard C2 Pro headlight torch. Really cool bit of kit. I've already opened it up and had a look at it. It's really good. This is going to be so handy when I'm doing the cars. I can strap it around my head and have it on top there as a head torch. Looks really good, bright as hell. I'm going to show you that in a second. And obviously going to be putting some links in the description below so you guys can go ahead and have a look for yourself. They've got absolute tons and tons of different types of torches, headlights, spotlights, searchlights, just loads, absolute loads. And it's proper heavy duty sort of ARMYTEK stuff as well. I'll show you, it comes with a pamphlet, shows you exactly what sort of models and makes and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's just a real cool bit of kit. So let's get into it. We'll do an unboxing. I'll show you all inside, what it comes with and what accessories and bits and pieces. So let's do this. Right, okay, so here we go. So this is a Wizard C2 Pro from ARMYTEK, and they do some serious bit of, you know, flashlights and torches and searchlights. It got a really nice, cool charging docking thing. It's like magnetic, and it just sort of, you know, I'll show you that in a second. Get into it, yeah. Just a few bits and pieces. You can see obviously mechanics there, head torch there, you can connect it up. So there's a few different ways you can use it, but it's got 2500 max lumus, which is how bright it is, and it just gives you, yeah, some details of the actual thing itself, what it can do. It's a 3-in-1, so which means basically it's got 3 settings with the button, and you've got this you know, clip as well. So yeah, ARMYTEK, it looks and you know, I've used it around a few bits and pieces, so it is pretty good, this thing. And they do absolute loads different types of flashlights and that sort of stuff. There's a pamphlet over there. I'll show you that in a second. Let's just see what comes in the actual pack. This is for the headlight. I've not even opened this yet, so I don't know how this works, but obviously I'm going to put it together in a little while. I suppose it just goes like that, and then yeah, and it just clips into that like that, and it's just a you know, a nice head torch. You can use that for when I'm doing the cars, which will be absolutely ideal. I can, you know, I ain't got to mess around. It comes with a charger. This is the charging dock, just a USB straight into it, you know, your normal things. A spare clip, and it looks like spare rubbers, I suppose, in case they perish, which is good. So it comes in this nice case like this, with a clip. I suppose you can clip it to, you know, your belt or something. You can clip it to your belt and stuff. That's good. I suppose you could use that clip for it, could you? No. So yeah, let's get that out of the way. So this is it. This is the one. ARMYTEK. And that's the charger there. And it literally just magnetic. Look, it's very, you know, so good. And then it just charges. You just plug it in to. It don't come with a plug, unfortunately, but you know, everyone's got these charging plugs. A USB. It goes to your phone. Goes to a power bank, anything like that. But that's how you charge it. So, yeah, pretty cool. So, it's a white light. So you actually get white light and you get a warm light. Let me show you the picture over on the pamphlet. So you can see that there's warm light and there's white light. So you can see the difference. I think this one looks better, looks brighter, and I think it looks better. So yeah, this was the one that I asked them to send me, was the white light. They asked which one I wanted, and I said this one, the white one. So yeah, this is the pamphlet I was talking about, guys. It has got so much with it. It tells you, you know, everything you can do, all the equipment, all the accessories, all the versions as well of the actual. You can see that one at the bottom there. That's for the cars. Look, see. So that's the one they've sent me. But yeah, it goes really extreme when it comes to this, because obviously it's ARMYTEK. So yeah, we're talking guns at the bottom there. Accessories to hold your torch to your rifle. So yeah, that's how extreme these are, guys. And obviously these are all different types of torches they do, spotlights, what the Loomis is. It's just incredible. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Obviously, I'm going to put a link to in the description below, so you can go and have a check out any of these torches or any of these things that you can use. But it's quite heavy duty, and yeah, it's just this side button here to push it on. And then if you press it twice, it does a less one. So you got like a 3 settings with it. That's the low one. That's the high one. So you just hold the button and it changed it from low to high, and that's even further. So 3 settings. That one, it's quite low. Then that one, which that in itself pretty good. And then that one, which is the 2500 Loomis, which is really, really bright. What I'm going to do in a second, I'm going to attach it to the headset here. It keeps wanting to magnetically go to the thing. I suppose it just goes on like that. Oh, and you've got a clip as well. So basically, oh, I see. So it goes like that, and then you've got a strap here, and it just goes onto there like that. So it holds it in place, and then you can turn it on and off as you want. So yeah, wicked bit of kit this is. I'm gonna attach it, put it on my head, basically, turn off the lights, and then we're gonna see how bright this thing is. So let's go and do that now. Let's see how bright this thing is. But this is gonna be so handy when I'm doing the cars. You get a head torch like this. So yeah, let's do this. Right, okay, so guys, I hope you can see this all right. But let me show you the settings. So this is just number 1 setting on the torch. And then number 2 is this. So that's number 2, which is in itself is bright. It's still bright. And then number 3, which is 2500 Loomis, is this one. So yeah, really, really bright, this one. This is settings 3, and this is really, really going to help me when I'm doing the cars, looking underneath sort of wheel arches and bits and pieces. I can really see what is going on. But yeah, a really, really good torch for what it is. Let's go back to setting 1. So that's settings 1, and then 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, it's just, you know, it's just a nice, it's a nice torch. It's a nice little head torch to help around the cars and what I'm doing in bits and pieces. And you know, if you guys want to sort of, let me just turn the lights back on. You know, if you guys want to get yourself one, it's yeah, I'll put a description below, but they do so many different ones, different types for your bikes, for when you're riding, out and about in the forests, walking around, trekking, whatever. They do so many different ones. I bet these ones are so bright as well. So you got multi flashlights. Basically what I've got here is a multi flashlight. Which one have I got? C2 Wizard C2 Pro. This one here is what I've got here. So these are the multi flashlights, nice and small, little handheld ones. And then you've got compact multi flashlights, multiple use, I suppose, and how you can use it and where you can clip it onto and what you can use it for. Everyday carry lights. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then you got, this one's crazy, tactical flashlights. That's mad. That's unbelievable. I bet these are seriously bright. Seriously bright, I bet they are. And then you've got searchlights. Yeah. It'd be interesting to see how much these are, actually. I might check out their website. I haven't checked out how much these ones are, but these are yeah, I bet these are a serious bit of kit. So yeah, there we go. It's just a quick review, guys. Just a quick look, you know, just to open it up, show you what I've got, show you what I'm dealing with, and show you what they've sent me. It is going to really help me around the workshop when I'm doing the cars, so I can see a lot better. And it's just easier because it's got a head torch, you know, on there like that. And it's one of the things, originally I said, I went back, they contacted me and I said, well, it's not really sort of what I do. And they said, well, we'll send you one. We've got a head torch on it. So that way you can, you know, have better access and better visual while you're working on the cars and that. So, yeah, it made sense. I don't think I need to ask them for a rifle spotlight or torch because, you know, we ain't got rifles in this country. We don't have guns. But it's nice to know that, you know, it's well built, you know. It's really well built. So I will put a description in a link to the description below so you guys can check out any torches, any versions of this, anything you want to try and have a look at, order or whatever. So yeah, thanks to ARMYTEK for the headlight and flashlight. I really appreciate them sending them out to me on all the support. So that's it. That's the end of the actual unboxing and review. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon.